Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Senior 2, we are doing our chapter Mining and Power. I hope class you all watched your previous videos, and if not till yet, then go and watch to get some information of this chapter. In this way you will be able to understand and learn all the questions in a better way and quickly. Class, this chapter is from your geography portion, and I hope you know now that what is mining. Mining is basically the process of removal and extraction of valuables from deep inside the ground of the earth. यानी ज़मीन के नीचे से जो हम मिनरल्स निकालते हैं उसके अमल को कहते हैं माइनिंग. मीन्स कान खोदना या कान को नहीं करना. So now class, move forward and see the question number 2 of this chapter from your notes, which is filling the blanks. Number 1. The extraction of valuables from earth is known as dash mining. यानी ज़मीन के नीचे से valuables यानी कीमती चीज़ें निकालने के अमल को कहते हैं माइनिंग, यानी कान को नहीं करना. नंबर 2. पाकिस्तान possesses world's largest dash mines salt. यानी पाकिस्तान में दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी नमक की कानें पाई जाती हैं. नंबर 3. In dash mining a hole is drilled in the ground. ड्रिल यानी ड्रिल माइनिंग में ज़मीन के अंदर सुराख किया जाता है, उसके बाद उसके अंदर से डिफरेंट मिनरल्स को निकाला जाता है. सी द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ड्रिल माइनिंग. एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर दैट अ ड्रिल मशीन इज़ यूज टू ड्रिल अ होल इन द ग्राउंड इन ऑर्डर टू रिमूव डिफरेंट मिनरल्स फ्रॉम डीप इनसाइड द ग्राउंड ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके क्लास, नाउ सी द फोर्थ वन. Large amount of dash mines are found in province Balochistan. Gold यानी हमारे सूबे बलोचिस्तान में सबसे ज़्यादा सोने की कानें पाई जाती हैं. नंबर 5. Dash and dash are two types of minerals, metallic and non-metallic. यानी minerals जो कि डिफरेंट चीज़ें बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज़ में, उसकी कितनी इकसाम है, कितनी टाइप्स हैं. There are two types of minerals, metallic and non-metallic. Okay class, these were the blanks of this chapter. Now move forward and the next question, which is mark the statements as true or false. Number 1. There are 5 types of mineral resources. यानी mineral resources की 5 इकसाम है. It's false. As we all know that there are only 2 types of mineral resources. That's why this sentence is false. Number 2. Minerals are not important for development of country. It's false, because minerals are so important as they help us to earn lot of money. Number 3. Gypsum is of white, grey and pink color. It's true. As we all know that gypsum is a stone which is found in 3 colors, white, grey and pink. That's why this statement is true. Number 4. In drill mining a hole is drilled in the ground of the earth. यानी drill mining में ज़मीन के अंदर सुराख किया जाता है. It's true. Number 5. Valuables like gold and diamonds are found deep inside the planet Mars. It's false, because जो valuables हैं, जो कीमती चीज़ें हैं जिस तरह गोल्ड और डायमंड, हम किसके नीचे से निकालते हैं? हमारे प्लैनेट अर्थ के नीचे से. That's why this statement is false. Number 6. People who extract minerals are known as miners. It's true. यानी वो लोग जो ज़मीन के नीचे से मिनरल्स निकालते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? माइनर्स, यानी कानकुन. Number 7. Pakistan is not enriched in mineral resources. It's false, because lot of mineral resources are found in Pakistan. And last one is dust is harmful for health of miners. It's true. As we all know that miners have to work deep inside the ground of the earth. That's why they have to face lot of dust which is harmful for their health. That's why this statement is true. So senior 2, this is enough for today. We will see the question answers of this chapter in our next lecture. But before ending the lecture class, let me remind you some important points, because many students were asking about it. That number 1, there will be no written homework of this subject. You will just watch these videos and learn all the questions from your notes. And number 2, the exam of this subject, including geography and history, will be conducted oral. So okay class, thank you for listening me and learn all the questions properly from your notes. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.